How to change TikTok profile picture. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy and how you can change profile picture for TikTok. Well, the process is relatively easy. Simply go ahead and first open up TikTok. Once you open up TikTok, you want to head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and you should head to the space. On this space, you'll find your profile picture. You can simply tap on the profile picture there, right? Now here, however, you want to make sure that you don't tap on this plus icon or that note there. You can tap and hold on your profile picture as well on the empty area. So here, tap and hold on it, then tap on change photo and you can go ahead and select the photo that you would like to change to. For example, if I like to switch the account, right? Switch the photo here. I'll select the picture here, go ahead and resize it, crop it, and then tap on save and your profile picture will be changed. So this is how you can change your TikTok profile picture. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.